guys, welcome to my channel. My channel is Mohammed Ryan. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment down about the car. Rock Lover. The car is very good. The suspension is very good. The battery will be here, on and off switch, and it is very suspension off-road one. I'll show you some
Press and show
shots
the tire, bro.
and see the tire. Then he is Gaganvi, who is a catching video. Me, Ryan. He is Rohan.
Rohan.
Anything. The first one. He will go do stunts. Now it will climb upon this one. Just see. It is a model of 2018. Check in Amazon and buy it now. It is you please buy it on Amazon. 90 rupees cashback. Awesome car it is. Please share it if you are interested. See that. See. It isn't just trials, now all real. See? Then the video is come here. Yeah. Here one off right. See guys, the suspension. And please comment down, subscribe, share, and please